with Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts, and he's going to teach another technique.
Okay, so using Fa-Jin in your punches. Fa-Jin is explosive energy. Okay, so I can punch all day long, but if it's just arm, even if I get body into it, I can get a lot of power, but I get that explosive kind of snapping. They call it whip power, or sometimes they'll equate it to shooting an arrow. Okay, so it's hitting and it's just penetrating. Okay, so coming here, I'm gonna do the jab, right? Okay. Okay. This is just my jab without doing anything. Okay, that's me putting power into it. Here's Fa-Jin.
I can feel the difference.
Okay, so the difference is I have an equal power going backwards. Okay, so this elbow is going back just as hard as the hand is going forward. Okay, that actually aids me in getting my hips into it, like your teacher always tells you. Get your hips into it, but they don't tell you that you have to have that equal and opposite power.
And you're turning, and then there's exploding too with the step as well?
There is. I can actually step into it.
Oh yeah, do that again. Sorry.
So it's okay. So, and in this case, I'm exploding off the back. I'm not coming forward like this. That's an exaggeration, but I'm not coming forward so I'm weighted here so much. I'm coming up.
You can really feel this entire body behind that.
So let me try that one again. So I'm exploding off the front, I'm coming forward, and I'm stopping myself. That's the equal and opposite. So the power doesn't have to be going out opposite. Sometimes it's coming in opposite. So in that case, it is. When I hit, I'm actually stopping. I'm still pushing with the back, but I'm pushing back with the front. Does that make sense? Okay.
It does.
Okay, so if I'm doing jab, but I'm doing open hand. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Even just Fa-Jin. Okay. Now his body.
Oh yeah. Yeah. See that? I'm gonna move. I'm gonna fly back. One more time. You can punch me. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. See, that just drives me back. It's like I don't know, like a shockwave that's moving through you or something like that. That's awesome. Yeah, there's just a way different feeling between your jab and that exploding, and you know, guys, I've been talking about the different jabs, the step jab, where the backward jab, all these different jabs. This is basically a completely different feeling.
Yeah. I think that's all.
That's good.